Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can very easily and quickly remove absolutely any widget on your iOS 18 iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also be sure to put your likes under the video and write, friends, your comments. So let's get started with you and me. And first of all, find a widget that you would like to remove. It doesn't matter what widget it is, like weather, photos, music, reminders, YouTube, and so on. It can be absolutely any widget. This method can be applied to all of them. So, I have a YouTube widget. And in order to remove such a widget, there are several methods. The first method is to click and hold on an empty field until all the apps start moving like this. Next, you will need to click on the minus at the top of the widget on the left side. After that, you will see this window where you will be asked if you want to delete the widget. And you just need to click delete to confirm your action. That was the first method. And the second, you can click and hold on the widget itself. Then at the bottom, you will have an option to delete the widget in the menu. Click on this option. After that, confirm your action exactly the same way. And as you can see instantly, such a widget will be removed from your work screen. Friends, with this quick and easy method, you can easily remove absolutely any widget on your iPhone screen on iOS 18. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you, friends.